Welcome to our comprehensive presentation on Zoho CRM Next Gen UI, also known as CRM for Everyone. In this video, we will examine the significant enhancements introduced in the latest version. We will focus on how these improvements facilitate collaboration, optimize workflows, and provide a more intuitive user experience. Join us as we explore the features that set this CRM apart. Team modules in Zoho CRM are specifically designed to help each department maintain its data separately, keeping everyone focused on their unique tasks while still working within a unified platform. Think of it as having your own dedicated office inside the CRM, reserved just for your team's needs. By isolating team activities in separate modules, you can improve collaboration, maintain data privacy, and make sure information doesn't get lost in a sea of irrelevant records. Under the new interface, team modules appear in the secondary sidebar once you select modules in the primary sidebar. You'll see each module categorized by its folder, such as organization modules for universal data or team modules for information that's specific to your department. This structure ensures that, for example, your marketing team won't have to sift through your customer support team's module, and vice versa. Managing these modules is just as straightforward. If you're a CRM admin or Teamspace admin, the Manage Modules icon lets you rearrange or add new fields with just a few clicks. You can move modules into folders, rename them, or even delete them if they're no longer relevant. That way, you stay agile as your team grows or your organizational needs change. Adding a new module is also a snap. Click the plus icon in the Modules tab, choose from existing templates, or build one from scratch with custom fields. Each new or modified module slides neatly into an existing folder to keep things organized. Furthermore, if you need to tailor configurations for a specific module, like tweaking layouts or automating tasks, just click the A button alongside the module name, then pick the setting you want to adjust. This seamless flow keeps all your specialized tools right where you need them. Now, you can store only what matters to your team in a dedicated space without cluttering up anyone else's views. Team modules effectively eliminate the chaos of one big bucket for everything, instead giving each department its own shelf. This approach speeds up data entry, quickens lookup times, and prevents sensitive information from drifting into places it doesn't belong. In short, it's a powerful new way Zoho CRM fosters collaboration and secures your company's vital data. While team modules organize data, team spaces are all about giving departments a fully equipped room for their day-to-day work. Each team space can have its own modules, reports, and dashboards fine-tuned to the needs of that functional group, such as sales, marketing, or support. The idea is simple: keep everything related to that team in a single, easy-to-access zone. Navigating between these spaces is simpler than ever. Zoho CRM has introduced the Team Space Switcher, usually found at the bottom of the secondary sidebar. Clicking on it reveals a drop-down list of all the active team spaces you're a member of. From there, you can hop into marketing's team space to check lead generation stats, then switch seamlessly over to your support team space to handle incoming tickets, all without leaving the CRM environment. Creating and managing these team spaces is generally the job of a CRM admin or anyone trusted with managed team space permissions. They can set up brand new spaces, rename them, or remove ones that aren't in use anymore. If you manage cross-functional teams or multiple locations, it's an invaluable way to keep each group's data and tools accessible while ensuring the rest of your organization doesn't get overwhelmed with non-relevant modules. Ultimately, team spaces ensure each team can work in a focused environment tailored to its responsibilities, improving overall collaboration in Zoho CRM. Next, let's talk about Zoho CRM's redesigned sidebar setup. The next-gen UI features a primary sidebar and a secondary sidebar, each taking on unique tasks. The primary sidebar is your compass, letting you jump between products for CRM Plus or Zoho One users, scan through your modules, or check calendar events with just a click. Meanwhile, the secondary sidebar changes based on the selection you make, delivering exactly the options you need at that moment. For instance, when you pick modules in the primary sidebar, the secondary sidebar will display all the modules specific to the current team space. When you switch team spaces, the secondary sidebar refreshes to show relevant modules, letting you stay focused on the tasks for that team. Plus, if you want to free up more screen space for viewing records, you can quickly collapse the secondary sidebar by clicking the icon at the bottom. Re-expanding it is just as easy, ensuring you're never more than a click away from your contextual tools. Chart view is a significant enhancement in Zoho CRM, transforming raw data into compelling visuals. Instead of sifting through extensive rows in a record list, users can easily switch to the chart view within a module and observe data represented in bar graphs, pie charts, or other formats. This feature is particularly beneficial for identifying trends, such as determining which product lines generate the most opportunities or where the sales pipeline may be diminishing. Accessing the chart view is a simple process. Once you are in a module such as Leads, Deals, or a custom module, you can click an icon to toggle between the traditional list view and the new chart view. From this point, you can apply filters, group records, or conduct quick analyses to gain instant insights. By providing a dynamic snapshot of key metrics, Chart View enables quicker strategy adjustments, more efficient sharing of results with team members, and ultimately fosters improved decision-making. One of the newest highlights is the Interactions tab, which centralizes every exchange you've had with a customer, whether via email, call, or chat, in chronological order. Imagine how convenient it is to review a client's entire communication history right before you pick up the phone or respond to an email. By keeping all these cross-channel interactions in one place, you ensure that your responses are more personal, consistent, and relevant to the customer's journey. When you open a specific record, say a contact or deal, the Interactions tab sits there to give you a comprehensive timeline. Need a refresher on the last phone call, or see if your colleague from support recently stepped in? It's all listed out, so you don't have to open multiple tabs or bounce back and forth between records. This saves time and eliminates confusion, paving the way for more strategic, empathetic follow-ups. Not only does this boost productivity, but it also elevates the entire customer experience. After all, nobody wants to repeat the same story to multiple reps. With Interactions, you can reference prior calls or emails seamlessly, solving problems faster and showing customers that you truly know their situation. If you ever feel like you need more time to adjust, it's easy to switch back to the previous CRM layout. In Zoho CRM, just open your user profile at the bottom of the primary sidebar and click Switch to Old Version. For those using CRM Plus, Zoho One, or CRM Flex, the process is similar. Click on your profile on the top right and follow the prompts to revert to the old interface. Remember, this only affects your personal account, so your teammates can keep using the new layout if they prefer. That wraps up our overview of Zoho CRM Next-Gen UI and its cutting-edge features. We hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Whether you're part of a small team or a large organization, the enhanced interface is here to supercharge collaboration and streamline day-to-day tasks. Thank you for watching, and be sure to explore all the new possibilities Zoho CRM offers to take your customer relationship management to the next level.